How to set up a Walmart family account. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can set up a family account on Walmart. Well, to set up a family account and add household members to Walmart account, you need to have an active Walmart Plus membership. So the primary account holder specifically should have a Walmart Plus membership. To get one, head into walmart.com/plus and there it should prompt you to get your 30 days free trial, and then you can add in and then you can proceed to get the offer. If you're a student or you want Walmart Plus Assist, you can see option down below. Either ways, once you have the Walmart Plus membership, you want to open up Walmart. What you want to do is head into the accounts section. Once on the accounts section here, next step is you want to select the Walmart Plus option here. Now I don't have Walmart Plus as you can see, but you should find the option right here. Select Walmart Plus from the drop down menu to access the membership dashboard, and look for an option labeled Manage Family Members or Share Benefits and select it. Then select Add a Family Member and enter the invited member's name and email address. Click Send Invitation and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.